All right, welcome to class today, students. How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay, today we get to talk about something to do with writing. A lot of the time when it's time to write, we don't know what to write about. And our first question is usually, what should I write about? So we're going to learn a brainstorming strategy to help you be writers. Brainstorming means we just think of lots of ideas. So what are some things you're interested in?
Gymnastics.
Gymnastics,
Farms.
farms, dragons, bugs. All right, which one of those ideas should we brainstorm?
Gymnastics.
Gymnastics, okay. So, I'm gonna write gymnastics in the middle of our board right here. So next, we ask ourselves some questions. What do we know about gymnastics?
You do flips and tricks.
They do flips and tricks. Okay, what are some other things we know about gymnastics?
You use a ball.
They have bars
They have beams.
and beams.
There's judges.
They have judges. What else? Do they have coaches?
Yeah.
Coaches.
They have helpers so that you don't fall over.
Does anyone know what that's called?
Trainer.
They are called spotters. Spotters help you. If somebody's gonna fall, they quickly help them so they don't get hurt. Okay, so what are things we don't know about gymnastics?
Why they do it.
Why? Why do people choose to do gymnastics? That's a good question.
Why?
What else do we not know?
When did they start?
How long do people do gymnastics? Because people in different sports do their sports for different amounts of time. What else do we not know?
How many?
The history of gymnastics. How did gymnastics get started? History. That means the story behind it. Who started it? Okay, one more.
Who's in the Olympics? No. How hard do gymnastics people study?
Ooh, how hard do they train? That's called training. Do gymnastics train hard? And then the other thing we said, Olympics. How long have gymnastics been in Olympics? Okay, so now, when we first started, we didn't know what to write about. But then we thought of a subject, gymnastics. And just by asking questions, we got lots of ideas. So, let's say I decided to write my story about the history of gymnastics. I could talk about the equipment they use. I could talk about how hard people train. I could talk about the history of gymnastics in the Olympics, right? That's a lot to write about. So now I'd like you to turn to your partner. So you two can be partners and you two can be partners. And I want you to pick a topic and together make another cluster brainstorm together for 2 minutes, okay? And we're gonna film you guys while you do it so we can see how well you're learning, okay? So go ahead, start your brainstorm with your partner.
What did you say?
You can talk a little louder.
What else? They're fluffy. They grow plants there.
There are farmers.
What do they eat? Okay,
Animals are there.
30 more seconds. Think of a few more ideas. Doing good. Okay, ready? Stop. Okay, Patrick, what did you choose to do your cluster on?
Dogs.
Eli and Patrick chose dogs. So Eli, tell us some of the categories.
I thought they're good pets. There's lots of types. They have many colors, and I want to know why they're so popular and what do they eat.
All right, Patrick, is that pretty much what you wrote down too?
Sort of.
Do you have anything different?
What was the first dog?
Ooh, what was the first dog? That would be interesting to learn. Okay, Sadie, what did you choose to talk about?
Farms.
Farms. What's one thing about farms that you asked?
How many animals are there?
How many animals? AJ, what else about farms?
They have lots of animals / livestock,
Okay,
and they grow crops.
And
grow
how,
crops.
we also asked how much water do they need?
Ooh, how much water does a farm use? That's a good question. Very good. So, after we do questions, we think about all we can about our main topic. Another exercise that will help you learn how to write is to turn your paper over. Turn that paper over. And I am going to time you for 2 minutes. That's not very long. And you're going to write a paragraph about what you just brainstormed on, or you can write a paragraph about gymnastics. But don't think about it, just start writing whatever comes to mind, okay? You're just going to lightning write. That means super fast, lightning write. Ready? We're going to see how much you can get done just by doing a brainstorm. Ready, set, go. Bless you.
Thank you.
Keep writing, even if it's not even about that topic anymore. Just keep writing. All right, 20 seconds. All right, let's stop. Very good. Look how much you were able to write in 2 minutes because you came up with some ideas. Does someone want to share? All right, Sadie, let's hear what you wrote. Talk loud.
Farms have a lot of plants and animals. And animals to help sell milk to drink. We can help with making a garden at our house. I have asked a lot of questions like.
Oh, good job. Okay, Eli, will you read us what you wrote?
I wrote, dogs are good pets. They are very popular and be trained to do cool things. There are many types of dogs with different personalities. Dogs are friendly and can be bred for many different variants for your own opinion.
Awesome. Thank you. That was really good, you guys. So the last thing you can do in this exercise is ask yourself so that you can start on your real paper. You can ask yourself, where can I get more information? So while you were writing that paragraph, did you think of questions that you needed answered? Like, where could you find more information about dogs?
If you have a pet dog, then you can learn about them more.
Okay.
Study.
Study a dog, the pet store, where else? Where's the place with lots of
Google.
Google or the library?
No.
Good job. Okay, I want you all to give yourself some claps because you did really well, and this will help you in the future with your writing. Thank you, class.
You're welcome.